Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to use Healing Tool in Snapseed. The Healing Tool in Snapseed is a fantastic feature for removing blemishes or unwanted objects from your photo. So here is how you can do it. First of all, open your Snapseed application and tap on the plus button to open up an image on your device. Select a picture you would like to import and work on, and once you do that, you will be able to see the image on the preview page. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Tools. Now click on Healing from the options. Zoom in and get to the area that you'd like to remove an object from. Simply go ahead and highlight the object and you will be able to see it getting removed. The Healing Tool works best when you want to remove blemish. Open up an image with a blemish in it. Click on Open at the top right and select the image with blemish in it and then zoom in the image. Now click on Tools, Healing, and tap on the area where you can see the blemish on the image. Soon after you do that, you will be able to heal using the Healing Tool. All you need to do is simply tap on the blemish or object you want to remove, and the Healing Tool will work its magic by replacing the selected area with pixels from the surrounding area, blending it seamlessly. So that is how you will be able to use the Healing Tool on Snapseed. Once you are happy with your result, you can export the image like you normally do. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.